Hey guys, Ivan here at ivanmeta.com, and in this video I want to show you how to create a disclaimer and other legal policies for your affiliate marketing campaigns for your website. This is a question I have been getting often. You guys are asking me, Ivan, do I need a disclaimer? Do I need a terms of use? Do I need a privacy policy? And if so, how do I create one? And so in this video, I'm going to exactly answer all these questions. I'm going to explain to you what these policies are, why you need them, how to create them. And then as an added bonus, I'm actually going to give you everything I show you. So you see this disclaimer page right here. This is one of the several legal policies I'm going to go over in this video. I'm going to actually give you this whole template that you can use. So all of these I'm going to give to you. You can import into your account and you can start using right away. You don't have to worry about actually creating them yourself, all right? So make sure you stay till the end of the video so you know exactly how to do that. Before we get into it, guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so you get notified when I release more videos like this, giving you free stuff and helping you with your affiliate marketing journey. So that out of the way, let's get straight into it. So the first question, Ivan, do I need these legal terms? So by the book answer, like for example, if you go to Google and you look at their terms, you do need a disclaimer on your pages. So Google, Microsoft, it doesn't hurt. It can only benefit you. Now, in general, have I created pages with no legal policies at all and been approved? Yes, I have. And it's not only Google. If you promote on, for example, certain native ad networks, they're not as strict about it. So you can get away without it, but it is a good addition to your site, not only to get approved, but also so you don't get in any legal trouble, right? So let's look at this disclaimer, for example. So what does a disclaimer mean? Let's break it down. So when you claim something, what does it mean? If you're saying, oh, I'm claiming that this website is mine, right? Or this guy claims that he's done this. It means that you're saying that you've done it. You want credit for it, right? It's yours. So when you disclaim, you don't want credit for it, right? It's the opposite. You're saying, hey, whatever happens, it's not my fault. It's not my responsibility. And so by adding a disclaimer, what you're doing is you're saying that, hey, on this website, I'm doing the best I can. I'm giving you all the information. But hey, if something changes or if something's not entirely accurate from what I said, that's your own risk that you took my advice. So this protects you legally from a legal standpoint. Moreover, if you are an affiliate, this part here is especially important. So this part here says that if you are an affiliate promoting other products and you have other links to other websites on your site, you're saying that we have no control over the content and availability of the site. So if those sites go out of business or people determine that those sites are scammy or spammy, you're saying, hey, I had no control over that. I'm not responsible for it. So it's a great way to protect yourself legally. So a disclaimer can only benefit you. It can't hurt you having this on your page. Now let's go through some of the other ones briefly. So privacy policy. So this one just says how you collect data. Sometimes you will be tracking people, right? With cookies for conversion tracking, right? To see if they sign up and stuff like that. So basically with a privacy policy, you'll be letting them know that, hey, we might be using cookies to track you so that we can personalize user experience, improve customer service, and periodic emails. So what this means is that you'll be remarketing to them, whether via emails or via ads, right? So that's what this means, personalized experience to customer to improve service. Because if people sign up, that clearly means they're interested. That means you can advertise to those people again because likely they're interested. So that's what this privacy policy is. By using the site, see here at the bottom, it says, by using this site, you signify your acceptance of this policy. If you don't agree to this, then don't use the site. So that's basically what it says. That's what you usually see on a bunch of different websites. Now, granted, the exact wording might differ. It might change from policy to policy. Like the privacy policy maybe is a little different for every single website out there, right? Same with the disclaimer. But this is the general gist of it, okay? So that's why it's very valuable to have. So let's quickly go through the other two. So terms and conditions. So this basically says what are the terms for using your site. So is there an age limit? What is the price, your information, payment, rules for payment. So basically rules for using your site, right? And then you're saying that these terms can be changed at any time. You have your address, so you have information about the company. And so, yeah, that's the terms and conditions. Then you have the refund policy. Obviously, this is important. to give refunds. I would add this to your websites. It's not going to hurt you. It's only going to benefit you. The next question is, well, how do you create it then? So you could go online and you could say, for example, disclaimer template, right? You could go on Google and they have some templates here. Some are paid, some are free, some you have to enter your email for. And you can kind of go through, for example, for this website, you could build your disclaimer, you could fill in the blanks and they could do it for you. I don't remember if this is paid. At the least, I believe you do have to enter your email, go to their email list, and then they'll email you your template, right? So you can do it that way. You can look at examples, you can go to images, and then you could kind of copy paste and then replace stuff. And then you would do the same for the privacy policy, for the terms of use, and so on. Now, another alternative is you can actually use System.io. And I already, like I said, I had System.io developers actually create all these pages. So you know they're good. So what you could do is also use the share link that I'm about to provide you. And what it's going to do is it's going to copy all of these policies straight into your account. And then from here on, you can either copy paste them or you can just use them, right? Whatever you want to do, it'll be accessible. So I'm going to give you this link. So I'm going to add this to the description of the video. Take a look, click on it, and you should be able to access it right away. If you don't have a System.io account, you could also sign up completely for free under go.ivanmana.com/System.io, and you should be able to get a completely free account. And then once you do that, and once you import this funnel, it's really simple. You're gonna see it here. I named it disclaimers and policies. What you wanna do first is go into each one and just save them, because you won't be able to view them unless you save them. So if you try to view them without saving, you're not going to see the page. So make sure you go in here and you save it first. And then the next thing you can do is change the path. So you could say privacy policy, right? And then again, you're gonna hit save. Or actually you could just change this here and then hit save right away, it doesn't matter. For this one, you can just name it terms, right? So you can go through them and just rename them as you see fit. I do show you how to change your domain in my other System.io videos, so take a look at that one if you want to learn how to build out funnels and then how to change your domain, but it's generally pretty simple. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on this little magic wand icon, and that's to edit page. And then from here on, what you would do is you would just change things up according to your own website, right? So take a look and see where it says your company name. Let me scroll down here. Yeah, so over here it says company, so you want to change it. So in my case, for example, Ivan Mana Inc. That's my company. Ivan Mana Inc. has the right? Then you want to go up. And then what you could do is you could just do Control F, and you could do company, and then offered by. So then you would go in and you would just change it. Simple enough. Ivan Mana Inc. Right? You can delete these if you want. Again, quite simple. You're just going to click on the delete button. If you guys are familiar with ClickFunnels, it's pretty much the exact same thing. And then you're going to go here. You're going to say again, Ivan Mana Inc., right? And stuff like that. Like really, really simple, guys. Really simple. Then you're going to hit Save Changes. And then you're going to exit. And then you're going to go to the next one. And then you're going to, again, click on the little edit icon. And then here you can change the date. You can again play around with this. And then over here, this one says company name. So it's a little bigger, a little easier to see. And then you would just go in and you would just replace that with your name. Then the name of your company, or if you don't have a name of your company officially registered, that's okay. Use the name of your website, like improveyourhealth.com or whatever your website is. Or maybe you can use your own name if you want to use that. So you can definitely do that depending on how you want to brand. And then once you import the funnel, you will have all of these interconnected with each other, right? So you type in refund policy. By the way, you might have to reconnect them. Let me show you what I mean. So over here at the bottom, they're all connected. Like if I select this one, so what you would have to do is just change up the URL here to go to your own privacy policy, right? But aside from that, you should be good to go. Again, over here, you're going to change company name, change it with your own name or the name of your actual company. Again, whatever you want to use. And then, so for example, for the, let's see, I think for the privacy policy, I don't remember what we set for that. I don't remember what the URL was. But anyway, let me save changes. Let me show you. So if we exit out of that, once you open up your page, so let's open this one because this is the one that we changed with Ivan Mana, right? So we changed it over here, and then we changed it in other places, like over here. And then as you import this funnel, you should see all of them right away. But like I said, you want to change the URL, right? So it's not System.io for this one. It's going to be your own for the terms and conditions. So make sure you go into each funnel. Like for example, this is the URL, so you're going to copy it, right? And then when you go to this page, when you edit it, you're going to scroll down to the privacy policy. You're going to select it, link it. You're going to delete that. And then you're going to paste this new URL. And now it's going to be your privacy policy, the one that you did, right? I can't seem to go back. But yeah, that's it. You're going to hit save. And then that's it, guys. So just change up where it says company name or company. Change up these places here at the bottom. And voila, you'll be good to go. You will have your legal terms up and running that you can use wherever you want to. And so that's basically it. So now you should have an idea of whether you should use these policies, how to create them, and you should get this free funnel that you can use yourself, guys. Completely free, up and running, good to go, ready for your website. Because these are the three that are generally most used: the privacy policy, terms of use, and disclaimer. If you guys enjoyed this content, definitely take a look at my YouTube channel at youtube.com/IvanMana, where I have close to 500 free videos at this point for anything to do with affiliate marketing and online marketing. Anything from Microsoft ads, Google ads, tutorials, questions, advice, so on and so forth. Lots and lots and lots of free content, guys. Absolutely tons of content. So make sure to check it out. There is probably something that you can find value in with the amount of videos that are here. I also offer you a free 55-page affiliate marketing guide at ivanmana.com. So check that out, as well as I have training courses to help you succeed with specific ad networks like Microsoft, Google, and Facebook at ivanmana.com/all-courses. So make sure to check those out. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.